Today, we are looking at something a bit different. And honestly, this is where the project shifts from me and just a trading system into a long-term vision for how people might interact with marketing intelligence. We're talking about the NeuroTrader experience layer, especially VR and wearable interfaces, and what the roadmap actually suggests about where this is heading. The key idea here is that NeuroTrader doesn't just stay as a dashboard on a screen. It evolves into an interface layer around the same intelligence engine. So instead of just looking at signals, charts, and data in a traditional way, the roadmap shows a shift into immersive environments. One of the early vision points is VR Strategy Room in Phase 5. This is where trading and analysis moves into a spatial environment. Instead of flat charts, you are inside a structured space where strategies, models, and market conditions can be explored more visually and interactively. It's Snorts, not about gaming or simulation for entertainment. It's about organizing complex decision data in a more natural way for human understanding. Alongside that, there are simulation and trading environments where users can test strategies, replay market conditions, and understand how the system behaves in different scenarios. This connects directly back to the intelligent system because everything you see in VR is still driven by the same underlying AI decision engine. So the core doesn't change, only the interface becomes more immersive. Then, the roadmap moves into Phase 6, which is where AR overlays and wearable systems come in. This is where NeuroTrader extends beyond screens completely with variable interfaces like intelligent glasses or similar devices. The system can deliver real-time alerts, signals, and decision updates directly into your environment. So instead of checking a phone or a chart, information becomes something that stays with you continuously. And with AR overlays, the idea is that market data, signals, and AI insights can be projected into your physical space. So you're not opening an app anymore, you are interacting with the system in real time layered over reality. But again, this is the important part. All of this is still powered by the same decision intelligence system. The VR, the AR, the variables, they are just interface layers that are built around the same core AI engine that evaluates, trades, and generates insights. So what you are really seeing is not a replacement of the system, but an expansion of how you access it. So if this is something you are curious about, the simplest move is to join the waitlist. Get familiar with the current system, and then follow these new interface layers roll out over time. So, if you like the project and you want to stay updated with the latest news and announcements, make sure you check them out. And also, all the links will be down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.